In this video, I'll guide you through how to set an alarm in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create an event and make sure you get a reminder at just the right time, whether it's for a meeting, a workout, or an important deadline. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account so you can access your calendar. You should now see your calendar view, which might be in day, week, or month mode. Any of these views will work for this process. Next, look for the Create button. This is usually located on the left side near the top of the page. Go ahead and click on Create. When you click it, a panel or window will open where you can set up a new calendar entry. From the options that appear, click on Event. Google Calendar has different types of entries like tasks or appointments, but choosing Event ensures you can add a proper time-based reminder, which is what we're using as an alarm here. Now it's time to add a title. In the title field, type a clear, simple name for what you want to be reminded about. For example, you might write morning workout, project deadline, or doctor appointment. A specific title makes it easy to recognize what the alarm is for when the notification appears. Below the title, you'll see date and time fields. Make sure the date is correct and set the start time for when the event actually happens. Your alarm will be scheduled based on this time, so it's important that it's accurate. To turn this into an alarm, look for the section labeled Notifications or Add Notification. Click on Add Notification. This lets you choose how and when Google Calendar will alert you. You can typically choose between an email notification or a standard notification that pops up on your device. For a quick alarm-style reminder, the standard notification is usually best. After choosing the type of notification, select how long before the event you want the alert. Click on the time field and pick a value like 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, or even a custom amount such as several hours or days in advance. Think about how much time you need to prepare, then choose the option that fits. If you want, you can add more than one notification, for example, one a day before and another 10 minutes before. Once everything looks good, click Save. This button is usually at the bottom of the event window. After you click Save, your event is added to the calendar, and the notification you set up will act as your alarm at the chosen time.